Solid dudes, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. It's good to see you guys again. So I just hopped in the Civic. I'm not driving this thing anywhere. This thing is pretty much stationary for the rest of the winter. I don't think it's gonna be going anywhere, and if it does, it's not gonna be going far. Today, I'm gonna start on removing most of the interior. Not the front seats, basically everything behind the front seats back is gonna get taken out. Plastic panels, flooring, seats, everything. It's all coming out. I'm gonna expose the back end of this car, essentially. I've had a water leak for a while. Gets into the trunk, makes condensation build up inside the car. It's really bad, it's really yucky. So I'm gonna be trying to figure out what's going on there. I'm not gonna be putting anything back in it afterwards. I'm just gonna solely be working on taking everything out today and getting this thing ready to go. Before I start any work, before I get going on anything, well, trunk needs to be popped, that's first off, and that needs to get unlocked. I'm gonna play a little promo video that Pasha edited for www.boostbunker.com, which is my merch website. You can get these cool hoodies. It says Boost Bunker on the front with the H pattern shifter. It's 5-speed with reverse, and on the back it says Boost Season with a big turbo. I'm gonna play the promo video for you right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like supporting me, if you feel like supporting Pasha, please go check out www.boostbunker.com. We worked really hard together on this project, and go get yourself some warm stuff for the holidays. All right, cool. So with that being said, the plan today is obviously, like I said, to strip the rear interior on this car. This is my garage that I'm in right now. You guys have seen it before. There's like this back room. I keep my tools in here and stuff. I just cleaned the whole thing out. So now I have a ton of space for storage and just a good workspace finally. So I'm gonna be taking out all the interior stuff and finding a place to put it in here. I might even put it above this ceiling. Put my summer wheels and tires up there. But before I do, I need to take a trip to the camera shop because I need to buy a tripod. I can't film this video without a tripod. There's no option really. And tripods are freaking expensive, dude. Like, this one's gonna hurt me big time because I have a lot of plans for the Civic, and this is gonna push me back about 200 bucks. So if you guys enjoy what I do, I'm sorry I'm not sitting here trying to like beg you guys or anything, but if you enjoy what I do and you wanna support me and help me pay off this tripod, please check out boostbunker.com. It'll be the first link in the description. They didn't have the one that I want. I'm not just gonna buy something just so I can have a tripod. If I'm gonna spend this much money on something like this, I wanna get the exact one that I want because it's gonna fit my purposes perfectly. I was really banking on them having it because they have like everything in that store. It's the biggest freaking store ever. All right, I'm gonna call around, see if there's any other places. All right, so I went to a different camera shop and I did end up finding a good tripod for my application. It's good, it's not everything that I wanted, but it's really, really dang close. Check her out. A lot of you guys don't care about this stuff, but some of you guys do, so I just want to show you. So it's a Vanguard tripod. It's called the Abio, and that's the model number. It's real nice. It can get real tall, which is perfect for me. All right, let's get to the video. I hope you guys like your new home, because this is where you guys are gonna live. All right, so here's the Civic. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Hold on. There's just all this yucky moisture. Look, there's water right there. Like, there's just water in here for no reason. There's probably water here. Oh yeah, look at all that. That's all water. I don't know where it's coming from, and it's annoying. So basically today, everything that you can see right now is gonna be coming out of the car. I'm talking back seats, I'm talking back seat cushion, all the plastic inside. This is all gonna come out. Hopefully I can get it down to basically bare metal. I'm gonna leave the headliner and everything, obviously. But everything that is preventing me from finding where this leak is coming out. I'm not just doing this to find the leak. This is gonna be a permanent thing. So something that I wanna do, either this fall or in the winter, in the spring, or sometime with this car, sometime soon, before it's ever in its finished state, is I wanna make a nice new trunk floor after I fix the leak, obviously, so that water doesn't ruin the one that I put in. And then I wanna carpet the entire back of this car. So I just want it to be like driver's seat, passenger seat, and then nice blue, navy blue carpeting all the way back. I just want this thing to be very smooth, very clean in the back, and be basically all cargo space for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started by taking stuff out. I'm just gonna get going. I got quite a bit to do. I'm gonna set you guys up so you can see, and we're gonna get going here, boys. All right, so I think step one is gonna be to get these seats completely removed, and then I can get these out. I think that's gonna make it a lot easier, but we're gonna see what happens here. So the seats are out. I've never seen my car like this before. It's kind of cool. It's super dirty in there though. I'm gonna go stow the seats away in the garage somewhere, find a nice safe place for these obscure plastic items that would be hard to find again if I broke or lost them. And then I guess I can just get started on these plastic side pieces. It looks like it's like all one piece, basically from the driver's door all the way back. Same thing passenger side. It looks like one piece all the way back. I guess it's that counts as a piece too, so now it's like a two-piece thing. I saw comments a while ago that said something along the lines of like, I just watched for the outfits, and I thought that was so funny, and I feel like today is gonna be one of those videos. Jogger pants with a hoodie with a Carhartt vest and the beanie with the hood on. I'm killing it today, boys. Alright, so I'll find a place for the stuff later, but I need to continue getting the rest of the trim out. Once everything's out, then I can organize everything and stow it away. I want this place to look just as nice as it does now, because like I've been hinting, like I've been saying, there is a lot of stuff coming for the Civic this winter. Again, I'm not quite ready to hit it just yet, but very soon. Yeah, baby, yeah! Holy moly! This is like a Shrek get out of my swamp moment right here. I kind of want to remove the seat belts and everything too, actually. All right, I have an idea. I'm gonna remove the seat belts as well. I have to figure out what size bolt it is. It looks big, maybe a 17. I'm gonna guess it's a 17. I'll come in here, I'll remove all like the little buckles down there, and then I'll unbolt it from down there, and I'll just let the seat belt retract all the way up for now. I don't want to pull this off just yet, or the other side. And I'm also gonna remove these wires because these are annoying. So that's really all that I have for today. We are getting into the part of the Civic build where there are things that I can't accomplish all in one day, and I'm gonna be taking it little step by little step, baby steps. Today was the first baby step of this project. Up until now, we have whipped this car together as fast as possible and not really paid attention to detail. But now it's time to pay attention to detail. Why will this autofocus not freaking focus? Just look at me, dude. Just look at me. Look at that. How hard is that? Maybe it'll be a little bit more. Is that better? Today, I know I've already said this in like 3 different ways, but basically today is day 1 of finishing this car. Like, starting to finish this car. Because like, I have a vision in my mind for where I want this car to be and a finished product. And this is not it. We got a long ways to go, and today is day 1. Spoiler alert, this car is gonna be super clean. It's gonna look angry, and it's gonna be making a lot of power in the springtime. Can this camera focus for 1 second, bro? So guys, with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're excited for the future of this project. Also, if you like this video and you like what I do, please, I'm sorry I keep pushing the merch, but when you work this hard on something, you kind of want to see it do well. So if you feel like checking out the merch, again, www.boostbunker.com. It'll be the first link in the description. Feel free to check it out, get yourself a nice boost bunker hoodie to stay warm in these cold temperatures. And if you just want to be styling, get yourself a long sleeve because they're pretty rad. Also, it's super cold here, so I'm going to be working on this car as much as I can. It's going to be slow progress, but I'm going to do as much as I can for this build. I want to see it get done eventually. All right, that's enough. I've been talking for too long. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like. Also, please click that subscribe button. We've been growing a ton lately. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.